In this video, we will cover the different Cengage eTextbook experiences and how you can rent hard copies of your textbook through Cengage Unlimited, a subscription that gives you access to all Cengage eTextbooks, online learning platforms, and hard copy rentals. You'll use a couple different eTextbooks in your course, including the MindTap eReader and the Cengage eTextbooks. The MindTap eReader has tools to help you read and study for your courses. To navigate through the eReader, click the arrows on either side of your screen. In the upper right-hand corner of the e-reader, you will see several icons. The Read speaker, which will read the text aloud to you. The next icon with two A's allows you to toggle between small, medium, and large font sizes so you can find what is most comfortable for you. The bookmark icon allows you to bookmark pages in your e-reader so you can easily navigate back to them later. The printer icon allows you to print a few pages at a time. And if you have questions, the question mark icon will open a description of each feature. You can also create highlights, notes, and flashcards from your reading. Just click and drag to select desired text, and a menu box will pop up with multiple options. You can highlight the text, create a note, look up the word using a built-in dictionary, or add the text to a flashcard. Notes, bookmarks, and highlights are available in your study hub, and flashcards can be accessed by clicking the icon in your app dock. Some of your courses may utilize a standalone Cengage eTextbook. While this eTextbook experience looks different, the same tools are available to you. You can navigate using the arrows on the bottom of the screen. At the top, you are able to print pages, search for text, take notes, change font sizes, and have the text read aloud to you. And just like in MindTap, you can also create highlights and notes from your reading. Notes, bookmarks, and highlights are available through the annotations icon. With your Cengage Unlimited subscription, you are eligible for 8 free hard copy textbook rentals. Just pay $9.99 shipping and handling. You can rent hard copies by clicking on the Rental Options button in your Cengage account. Then select the textbook you are interested in renting and click Rent Selected Products. From here, you'll be able to check out. Your rental due date will match your subscription end date or 1 year, whichever is sooner. At the end of your rental, you'll use a prepaid label to return the textbook.